Hi, so today we are going to learn how to graph an equation which is in the form of slope intercept equals mx plus b. This is the standard slope intercept form. This is the slope intercept form where b is the y-intercept and this m is called slope. That's why it's called slope intercept form. Now, what do you mean by y-intercept? Y-intercept is plus b means b is the point where the graph is crossing the y-axis. Like if you draw a curve like this. So y-intercept means this curve is crossing the y-axis at what point? You can say that's approximately 4. So 4 will be your b value. B value is 4. So y-intercept is the point where the graph crosses the y-axis. And here in the given curve, it's plus 1, right? Now go to the question. So it's asking about how to graph. Wait. Now come to the graph. From the graph y equals 2/3 x plus 1, we can see plus 1, that's your y-intercept. Y-intercept means where the curve is touching the y-axis. So plus 1 on the y-axis, we can see this point. So this will be your starting point. Now go to the slope. Now slope is a fraction where 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. Now what does 2 and 3 denotes? The 2, the numerator, will represents how much you need to go up or how much you need to go down from this y-intercept plus 1, right? And what does this 3 represents? How much we need to go right or how much we need to move left further. How to decide we should go plus, we should go upward, downward, or right or left? If the numerator is a plus number, see here, this is a plus number 2, so we should go upward. If the numerator is a negative number, then we should go downward. If the denominator 3 is a positive number, then we should go right. If the numerator 3 was a negative number, then we need to go left. Done. Now we can see the numerator 2, which denotes we need to move upward or downward. That's a positive number, positive 2. Positive 2 means from this point, the y-intercept, we should go 2 units upward. So 1, 2 units upward. Now I'm here. From this, go to the numerator. Numerator is 3. 3 means 3 is a positive number. So we should go 3 units to the right because it's plus 3. So 1, 2, 3 here. And we got 2 points. This one, this one. Join this 2 point by a line and extend the line, and it will give you the equation of the line. So this is y equals 2/3 x plus 1. Done. Now a new question, y equals -1/3x minus 1. In this curve, the y-intercept, you can see it's -1. So -1 means on the y-axis, -1 point is this. The numerator, go to the m value slope. The numerator is -1. -1 means you need to go 1 unit down because it's a negative number. It was positive number if, then we need to go up. So -1 means from this point, I'm going 1 unit down. Then it's plus 3. Plus 3 means what? I should go on the right hand side. How much? 3 units. 3 units to the right. 1, 2, and 3. So here you go. You got 2 points. This is your starting point. This is your ending point. Then join this 2 starting and ending point by a line and extend the line to get the equation. But wait, we can have one more point. See, -1/3 x is given, right? Y equals -1/3 x minus 1. Can you also write it as 1/-3x minus 1? Yes, we can write it. So in such cases, the y-intercept -1, that should be same. This -1 should be same here. But we can get another point. How? Say this is +1, right? +1 means from this point, we need to go 1 unit to the up. And then it's -3. -3 means 3 units to the left, 1, 2, and 3. So this point. So you got 3 points to be joined. And you can get more accurate curve. So that's your line. Done. Now we move to the next question, y equals 2x plus 3. Now you can see the y-intercept is +3. So +3 means here. This is your starting point. Next, now see slope is a whole number 2. So we can write 2 as 2 over 1, right? Because you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every number can be written as this, that the number itself divided by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1, 5 by 1, 6 by 1, 7 by 1, 8 by 1, so that the number is remaining the same, correct? So we can write 2 as 2 over 1. What does 2 over 1 represents? This 2 represents we need to go 2 units up because it's a positive number, right? +2. So from this, go 2 units up here and here. Now go to the denominator. Denominator is +1. +1 means we need to go 1 unit to the right. So right means from this 1 unit to the right here. So we got 2 points, this one and this one. How to get another point? Do the reverse operation. So we have gone through +2 over 1. That means 2 units to the up, 1 to the right. Do the opposite operation, 2 to the down and 1 to the left here. Now you got 3 points. See this one, this one, this one. Join the 3 points with the line and extend it. That's your graph. Let's take another example. Y equals -1x or -x minus 3. From this slope intercept form, you can see the y-intercept is -3. So this is your starting point. On the y-axis, -3 is your y-intercept, the starting point. Then see it's -x. Negative means -x means -1x actually. And -1x means we can write -1 as -1 over 1 because it will be the same number, -1, right? Now, -1 is the numerator, means we need this -1 represents how much we need to go up or down. So it's a -1, right? -1 means from this we need to go down, 1 down. So here, because it's negative number. Now, after that, the denominator is +1. +1 means we need to go 1 unit to the right because it's a positive number. So go 1 unit to the right here. Now we got 2 points, this one and this one. Suppose we need to find out another point, then do the reverse operation. So we have gone through 1 unit to the down, 1 unit to the right. Do the reverse operation, 1 to the up, 1 to the left. So see, now you got 3 points. And join these 3 points and extend the line to have the linear line. That's your graphing. And that's it. Let's take another example. Y equals x. Now see, in this particular graph, the b is missing. Generally, the form is y equals mx plus b, but you can see the m value is 1 here, but b is missing. So we can write y equals 1x plus 0, right? 0. And this 1 can be written as 1 over 1, correct? So what it says, 0 will be your y-intercept. So 0 means this point. And from 0, you need to go 1 unit up, 1 to the up, because it's a positive 1. then 1 means 1 to the right. So here we can get another point. We can get another point actually. How? It can be also written as -1 over -1. This can be written as -1 over -1. That means what? Do the reverse operation. So from the starting point, go 1 unit to the down, 1 unit to the left, another point. Now join these 3 points, first point, second point, and third point by a line, and extend the line to get the linear line. That's your equation, y equals x. And that's it. Let's take another example as y equals -1/4, 1/4 x plus 3. Now from this equation, we can see the y-intercept is +3. That means on the y-axis +3 is this point. Next, now this -1/4, this -1/4, this -1/4 can be written as -1/4, or it can also be written as 1 over -4. So it's up to you, whatever you are assuming. So I'm assuming -1/4. So -1 means we need to go 1 unit down from this. -1 means we need to go 1 unit down. So here, and +4 means we need to go 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. How can we get another number? Or you can use this 1 over -4. So 1 means +1. So the y-intercept was +3, right? So +3 was the point, +3. And we can, -1/4, we can assume it 1 over -4. So 1 unit, 1 means +1 means 1 unit to the up, 1 unit up, and -4 means 4 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got 3 points. Join these 3 points with the line and extend the line to get the graph. That's it. And let's take the final example as y equals 2/3 x minus 3. So you can see -3 is your y-intercept, and -3 point is here, -3. Go to the slope. Slope is 2/3. 2/3 means, as you know, the numerator represents how much we need to go up or down. How to decide we are going upward or downward? Because it's depends on the sign. If the number is a positive number, so +2 is a positive number, so we should go 2 units to the up. If it was -2, then we should go 2 units to the down, right? Now it's a +2. So from the y-intercept -3, we should go 2 units to the up. 1, 2, here. Now we are here. Now go to the denominator. Denominator denotes how much we need to go right or how much we need to go left. Now it's a +3 number, right? If a positive number, then you should go right hand side. You should move on the right hand side. If it's a negative number, then you should go on the left hand side. Now it's a +3, right? +3 means we need to go 3 units to the right from my current position. My current position is as -1. So from -1, you need to go +3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. This is your point. This is the initial point. This is the final point. And we can get another more points, right? One more point. How? Do the reverse operation. Add a -2 and -3. Negative will be cancelled out, and you will get 2 over 3, the same number. So we did from this point, we have gone through 2 units to the right, 3 units, sorry, 2 units to the up, 3 units to the right. Do the reverse operation. 2 to the down and 3 to the left to get 3 points. First point, second point, and third point. And join the points to get the ultimate line. So this is your line, y equals 2/3 x minus 3. And that's all. Okay, thank you.